Good night. My name is María Guadalupe Canto Becerra, titulación AL008589. La materia es inglés, data 28 de marzo del presente año. ¿Comenzamos? A meeting and the office. Sarah, good morning. Good morning, Jonathan. In England, you are bored. Where our beans waiting is Monday. Good morning, Sarah. What's chain mean about? Sarah, we rate this king ten neighborhood marketing starting in go to week marketing our salary hour way lower than last year. Jonathan, thanks to rare but in thank you of new product is better than the previous owner. Sarah, yes, it is fast in change products wherever and good whenever top markets were market entry correctly. Sarah, alleged late is get steady and you are worth of salary hour when lower than legislative view in think when can to try already win our next product. Excuse Sarah, in queues were mentioned our win products in our vegetarian. On boot is Alice cheaper. Char ice cream pond in home and thank you is born due time or compares to erect existing similar products in Angie's prices. But what kitted a product really speeds. Outside in fact in kit products on marketing and thanks what's grown. They say sport for or compete. Alleged team were with each product. Alleged it means for products in real time temperatures on champion time chain competition on for 10 new skill were with short success. Thank you for much for your attention.